Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today I got something new here. So we got a new Samsung portable charger, which really ain't new to me because I had one before, but I got this with my S20 FE order. So basically, when you got an S20 FE, you got $50 in credit, and I couldn't figure out anything else to add to that $50 in credit, so I got this. But today I'm doing this because I never did an unboxing on this, so it's a Samsung battery pack up to 25 watt super fast charging portable charger. So we're gonna go and check this out, so let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we're back here at the not so legendary unboxing table as usual. Now this is just gonna be a quick unboxing because really I already used this thing. I should do a review on this thing honestly, but I'm not gonna do that today. I already know what's up with this thing, but I'm gonna go and unbox this for the channel because I never did that for some reason. I got this with the S20 Ultra pre-order, so I got that for free too. I haven't paid for this thing yet, but I will say this thing is worth it. I definitely recommend it. Anyways, on the front of the box here, it's pretty clean. So we got the Samsung logo, battery pack, we got the battery pack itself, up to 25 watts super fast charging. So that's wired charging, not wireless charging. We have dual port here, so wait a second. Is this a new model or something? Okay, so I think I'm wrong here. This is a USB-A port, I think, and that's a USB-C port, but it looks pretty much the same. Okay, then. Okay, so I think we got a new model here. So these are both USB-C here, but this is USB-C, and I'm pretty sure that's USB-A, so I was already thrown off on this whole video. Anyways, we got the dual port here, we got the PD power delivery, and on the back here, we just got some info, so if you want to go and pause that and read for yourself if you want, you can do that. On the right, we got Samsung, on the left side, we got battery pack, and well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and bust out the unboxing knife. And I just cut that, so let's go and get up into this. So there we go. Here is our Samsung portable battery. Oh yeah, that's definitely USB-A. This looks a lot similar to this one right here, more so than this one. That's definitely not the same thing right here. So with these two, they're definitely the same setup, but you can see they're obviously different. So this must be like a 2020 newer model of this, and it's not even a wireless charger. So you can see here, these both have a USB-A port and they got a USB-C port, but this one doesn't wireless charge. It's just a regular portable charger. Something I didn't even know about. Wow, okay, then that's interesting. But I think I'm gonna go and give this to somebody, like somebody I know out here. Anyways, if we look at this charger right here by pressing this button and turn this on, it looks like we have 2 out of the 4 lights on. So that's the battery life on here. Again, we have the USB-C, which I think is just only charging a portable charger. Like you can't charge your phone with this USB-C port. And then you got the USB-A port, which I'm pretty sure you can use to charge your phone. But we'll go and see about that. But just looking around the charger, it's pretty clean. So we got the Samsung logo and we got 10,000, which represents 10,000 milliamp hours. On the back, it's just completely clean except for the sticker that you could just take off easily. So I'm not worried about that. And at the bottom, we just got some info here like my specs, so I can go and see the model number and everything like that, like if you need to get it serviced or whatever. But anyways, let's keep looking inside the box because we got more stuff. So we have our user manual as usual, but you know we do with that. We throw it to the side. And oh man, look at this. I'm just looking over here to the side. There's so many user manuals over here, it's ridiculous. I need to pick them up. But looking inside to hear some more, it looks like that we have a cord. So it looks like a USB-C to USB-C. Okay, Samsung, I see you. So we might be able to actually charge our Galaxy with this USB-C port and charge the portable charger because you can't do that on here. It's only for charging a portable charger. So why don't we try that? So let's go and plug that in real quick and let's see if it'll charge our S20 FE real quick with that USB-C port. And wait for it. It does charge. Oh yeah, super fast charger too. That's nice. So not only can you use this USB-C port to charge your devices, but you can also use the USB-A port. That's clutch. I love that, Samsung. Thank you. And if we go and use this USB-A port, let's go and plug in our S20 FE now, and it should be the same exact thing. So it should say super fast charging, and there you go. So it says charging, fast charging, not super fast charging. That's interesting. So it looks like you're only gonna get the 25 watts if you use a USB-C port, but I assume it's 15 watts if you use the USB-A port. So y'all, that's gonna be pretty much it for me. Like, what else do you cover about a portable charger? I think you got all the info that you need. But it's time for me to get up out of here, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Santech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter, so I'm most active. Anyways, now we got 3 portable chargers. Maybe I'll give this one to my pops because he could use one, honestly. Or my mom, even though, oh wait, yeah, she did lose hers recently, so I could give this to her. But my pops has a Galaxy S7 and he keeps that thing off for like 75% of the day, so I don't really know if he needs one. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out.